everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to change the country or region of our Roblox account. So if you're also wondering how, you may just head over and follow this tutorial for that. So let's just get started. You can go to roblox.com for that, head over to a browser and type in roblox.com and hit enter and log in into your account if you're not logged in. From here, look out for your gear icon in the top right corner and select it. And go ahead and access your settings from here. Now that you've accessed your settings, you will be finding this right here. So what you need to do is from your account settings, you need to go ahead and go to the country or region tab. You can scroll down and usually you can find a country, this one account location section. So usually you can look out for this country or info section from here and just go over and update and select your country. Some accounts may not allow changing the country frequently, so check if your account is eligible, but you just need to head over to this section right here. And once you head over to this section, you can just go and select the country that you want and just go over and save the changes once you do so. If you are not allowed to do so, you may verify your account. So you can verify your email if you have not verified your account via email, or you can even continue with ID and go ahead and verify your age verification as well. And once that is done, once it is confirmed, your Roblox location should be updated. And that is it. You can just go and do so. You can even try using the account itself. So if you're using a Google account, you can try changing the country within that and see if that works for you. And that is it, everybody. You should be able to change your country by doing so. Changing your location may affect the stored currency, game recommendations, and even events, so pick the country very carefully. So that is it, everybody. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.